Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make 3 different protein coffees. So protein coffee is great because it can actually help replace your high calorie creamer, as well as it can actually help put you into a fat burning state, which is key, especially when you're trying to lose weight. So if you stay tuned today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these 3 different protein coffees. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. And my whole goal is to teach women how to lose weight for good in a healthy and sustainable way, so they can have more confidence and have more energy and just feel so good in their skin. And I believe that protein is key, especially when it comes to losing weight. So I like to create delicious, yummy, high protein recipes so you can enjoy some of your favorite foods all while losing weight and becoming fit and fabulous. So if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Ding! That way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So if you're ready to learn how to make 3 different protein coffees, then let's get started. So the very first protein coffee we're gonna make today is kind of like the classic hot protein coffee. So all you're gonna need first off is you're gonna need some sort of mug or cup. I mean, today I'm just gonna be using a glass cup just so I can actually show you guys exactly what I'm doing like within the cup. So go and grab yourself a mug. Then what you wanna do is you wanna take your hot coffee like so. So we're gonna pour it into the mug and we're just gonna fill it up about halfway. So about that much so far. Now from here you can actually like put in your protein and then just mix it up and then just top it up with coffee. But most times like it's probably gonna like clump up a little bit. So it is key to basically take a little bit of like unsweetened almond milk or soy milk or whatever kind of milk you use on a regular basis and just kind of cool it down just a little bit. So we're just gonna add a little bit in there. Like so. Now another option as well is you can actually add some like collagen in here. So a lot of times I actually put collagen in like my morning protein coffee. It's really good. It doesn't change the flavor. And then I just know that I'm getting in my daily collagen. So like I said, that's an option. You can put some collagen in there if you want. So next we do have to add in a little bit of protein. I am gonna be using some level 1 protein by Phorm, and this is the milk chocolate flavor and it is delicious. So basically, once I put the milk chocolate into the protein coffee, it's almost gonna be like a mocha and it's really, really good. So in today's recipe, we're just gonna be using a scoop. Now, depending on your preference, I mean, you can use like a full scoop if you want to, you can use a half a scoop, you can just use like a quarter of a scoop. It's basically like all up to you. But for me, today, I am gonna be using a full scoop of the milk chocolate. Just gonna take a scoop, like so. The milk chocolate smells so good. We're gonna add it to our coffee, hopefully, without getting it everywhere. Like that. Next, what you need is you need like a little hand blender thing. So I actually just bought this off Amazon. I think it's called like a milk frother or something. And it's only like $10 or something. But I literally use this thing like every day. I love it. So I totally recommend that you get one of these for sure. Now this one is rechargeable, which is nice because it's not battery operated. So there's like a little charging port there, which is nice. So this one actually has like 3 settings. So I'll show you guys quickly. So I don't know if you guys can see like those 3 dots. So when I click it once, it's gonna basically, oh, I was holding it upside down. So that's level 1, and then you turn it off. And then when you turn it back on, that's level 2. Turn it off, turn it back on, and that's actually like level 3. So you wanna make sure, especially if you're new to like mixing protein coffee with like one of these little hand blender things, you wanna make sure it's on level 1, because if not, you're literally gonna have protein coffee like everywhere. I mean, I only know that just because it actually happened to me. So what you wanna do is you wanna take your protein coffee, you wanna make sure it's gonna be on like level 1, put it in there, and then turn it on and blend it up. Now there is a little bit of an art to it, like I'm just stirring it at the same time. You guys can see that. Okay, so we pretty much got it stirred. So I'm gonna take out our blender. Now all you need to do is you just need to top it up with a little bit more coffee. that. You guys see how foamy it is? How foamy it is. It's so good. I have one of these basically like every single morning. And the other cool thing about making protein coffee is you can get so many different flavors of protein that you can actually like mix in your coffee. So level 1 is amazing for that because they have like cinnamon cookie batter, they have like ice cream sandwich, they have mint ice cream sandwich, German chocolate, they have like so many different flavors. Actually my favorite one, which is like seasonal, is the pumpkin spice latte. That one in coffee is so freaking good. It's so good. But it's only available around like pumpkin spice season, which is like in the fall. So the next recipe I'm gonna show you how to make is an iced protein coffee. And so I'm gonna show you how to make an iced peppermint mocha. So of course, the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need some sort of cup. So grab yourself a cup. And then the first ingredient you're gonna be using is a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. Again, you don't have to use almond milk. You can definitely use like soy milk, regular milk, whatever kind of milk that you tend to use on a regular basis. It doesn't really matter, just use whatever. So we're gonna take this and we're just gonna add about a half a cup into our glass. So we're gonna take this, add about a half a cup. It's like that much. Next we need to add in our protein. So again, I'm just gonna be using the milk chocolate flavored protein by Phorm. So we're just gonna be using 1 scoop into our cup. And then of course we want to take our handy dandy like little hand blender thing here and we want to blend that up. So we have that mixture in there. Next we need to add in a little bit of peppermint into our iced coffee. So we just want to add in like a little bit of peppermint because most times when you get peppermint extract, it's really, really strong. So you just got to be careful with like how much you actually put in. So we're just going to be putting in about like 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then of course, if you want to take the blender and then just like blend it up again quickly. Next, we need to add in a little bit of cold coffee. So of course, this is just, I can't even talk. So this is just like the iced coffee that you can just buy at the grocery store. That's like the Starbucks brand. You definitely do not have to buy the Starbucks brand. It's totally fine. You can just like brew yourself some hot coffee if you want to, and then just like let it cool, like on the counter if you want, or if you want to brew it and then just like let it cool in the fridge, that's totally cool too. Just as long as you have cold coffee to put in your iced coffee, that's pretty much all that matters. But today, we are gonna be using the iced coffee from Starbucks because we're, you know, fancy like that. So we have our cold iced coffee from Starbucks. We're just gonna top it up to about there, because of course we still need room for a little bit of ice. Take some ice and then just fill it up with a little bit of ice. Yeah, so good. So next we're gonna be making a protein frappuccino. So for this recipe, you are gonna need a blender cup, because of course we're gonna have to blend everything in this recipe. So go and grab yourself a blender cup. The first ingredient we are gonna be using is some frozen cubes of almond milk. So in today's recipe, we're gonna be using 4 cubes of the frozen almond milk. And then what we need is we need some more cold coffee. So go and grab some more of your cold coffee, and we're gonna be adding in about a cup into our blender cup today. So I mean, you can definitely measure this, and I mean, you can add as little or as much cold coffee as you want. So I would say that is probably about a cup. And next we're gonna be adding in our protein. So in this protein frappuccino recipe today, we're gonna be using some cinnamon cookie batter flavored protein, and this one is delicious. We're gonna put that into our blender cup. And then of course next we need to put the lid on, and then we need to pop that onto the blender. And then what you wanna do is of course you wanna grab your glass, you wanna take your Frappuccino, take that, and then pour it in. And hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Look at that. This Frappuccino is so freaking good. It's amazing. So again, this Frappuccino, like I said, in my opinion, I feel like it's better than Starbucks, definitely healthier, and it's got like 24 grams of protein in it, which is amazing. Highly recommend the protein Frappuccino like 1000%. So I hope you guys enjoyed those 3 protein recipes. Again, they were super easy to make, super delicious, and they have a ton of protein in them. So if you guys have any questions at all, please comment down below in the comments section, And again, any links to like any of the products or whatever you guys seen like in the video will also be in like the description box down below. So you just gotta like scroll down, there's like a little description box. It will all be in there. So I hope you all have an amazing day and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, love you.